Okay, here we just have to integrate 3 to the power of 2x dx. You know, we're having x in the exponent, that is not good at all. So we need to get x to become just like a base, alright? And I'm going to rewrite this using, in terms of the logarithm and its anti-logarithm. Now I'm going to use e and ln, okay, because the two of them are actually going to give us 1, like this. Well, here, to actually make x to come down, I can just have it to be, let's say, ln of 3 to the power of 2x. You know, we've actually changed everything. So you can make e the base of this, and you know that from the log property, we have log of, let's say, any number, let's say a to base b, and this, the whole of this is actually a power of b. Okay, so we have the same b, which is the actual base, and this is to the power of log of a to the next base b. This right here just gives us a. So we're going to apply that right here, where ln is the same thing as saying log to base e. So let me rewrite this so that to be clear enough. We have logarithm to base e, that is ln. Okay, it's log to base e of any number. Okay, here, this right here is just giving us 3 to the power of 2x, so I can just bring this into this, alright? So we're going to have e raised to the power of log of the whole thing there to base e. In fact, just know that it's something as ln, say ln, alright? So we just have ln of 3 to the power of 2x, and this is just dx. Okay, so since 2x is the power of 3, we can take it to the front of the logarithm. Notation, we have e to the power of 2x ln of 3. From log property, we have log of, let's say, to base b, or let's say a to base power c is the same thing as saying c times log of a to base b. So that's just what I'm applying here, right? Just take this to the back like this. Okay, up to the front. Rather, we have here to be dx. So from this point, I can decide to do some substitution. Where we can call it u. So I will say let u be equal to 2x ln 3. And to get your du, we now have the u, the x is going to become, well, this is a product of two functions. The first part 2x, the second part ln 3. Now, for product rule in differentiation, we have to differentiate the product of two functions. We keep the first one, 2x, and we differentiate the second one. Unfortunately, ln 3 is a constant, because 3 is a constant, so the log of 3 to base e, where e is a constant, is going to be a constant. So because of that, everything here is a constant. We keep this one, the derivative of the constant is going to become 0. So just a product with 0. In fact, everything there is 0. We add it with, now we keep ln 3 this time. We've taken the derivative of 2x. With respect to x, the answer is just 2. So we can just multiply this by 2. This is just ln 3. So we are left with 0 plus 2 ln 3, that's just 2 ln 3. And this is just the derivative of u with respect to x. So we're going to have that du equals to 2 ln 3 times dx. So, like this is it. So we can go ahead and solve this further. We have the integral of e to the power of everything here. Notice just 2x ln 3, which is just u. Then in place of dx, we can put du divided by all of this is equals to dx. So we have du divided by all of that as 2 ln 3. Alright? Okay, so let me take this up and continue solving. Now here, this is just a denominator. We can bring it to the front of the integration sign like this. We have 2 ln 3, then the integral of e to the u du. In fact, the integral of e to the power u, where u is a variable of integration, is just e to the power of u. This is just e to the power of u. This right here is a constant, so we just keep it like this, 2 ln 3. Well, what is u? U is equals to 2x ln 3. Since we started from the x variable, we need to arrive at the x variable. Even when we've done substitution, we need to take it back, right? So we have this to be 2x ln 3 in place of u. So I can just change u to 2x ln 3. Well, we need to get back to where we came from. You know, when we had 2x ln 3, it was gotten from this. So we can just put that back, alright? was gotten from laying 3 to the power of 2x. Just take this up like this. Adding on plus 3 remains with us. Now here, we can just say that the whole of this is equals to like this. Okay, this is the same thing as this. So we just have 3 to the power of 2x, and the denominator is 2 in 3. And this right here is the antiderivative when we add a plus c here, and we are done. Okay, thanks for watching this video.